welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be talking about a NIOD product, and I have not talked about any NIOD products underneath the Decium name on my channel, and I have a lot of you asking me, have you tried this product, have you tried that product? And honestly, I have just not used anything from the NIOD brand because I've always gravitated towards the Ordinary line, and then of course I'm trying other products out as well. But I was always curious about the NIOD line because there's a lot of great products that they have to offer for certain skin concerns, and they have a lot of good ingredients in their products as well. So I do have a few products that I'm currently testing out, but in this video I'm only going to be targeting one product, and I will be doing some other videos coming soon on the NIOD line of the ones that I'm currently using and I'm testing out. So I'm currently still testing those ones out to really give you guys a good review, and I'm still trying to get a good feel of those products. But this one in particular I have been trying for a few weeks, and I've really been excited about this product, so I really wanted to do this video first. So I'm going to be talking about the NIOD Neck Elasticity Catalyst, and I'm going to be reviewing this product, showing you what this looks like on the back of my hand, and obviously of course telling you what this can do for your neck. So before we get started, if you'd like to subscribe to my channel and ring that bell, that way you're never going to miss any of my future videos on skincare and all things beauty, and I upload videos every single week. So let's get right into the video. So like I said, I have not used anything from the NIOD brand before, nor have I ever talked about the NIOD brand on my channel yet. I've basically just been all ordinary skincare products, but I've always eyed the NIOD brand. I've always eyed all of the products that they have to offer, what they can do for your skin, and I've always taken a look at their ingredients as well, as they have some really good ingredients in their skincare products. Now of course the NIOD brand is a lot more expensive than the ordinary skincare brand, and that is because the NIOD brand actually has more active ingredients in their skincare line, and they also feature some rare active ingredients that are very new to the skincare market. So that's why I was very intrigued with the NIOD line, and I really wanted to see the difference between the NIOD brand to the ordinary skincare line. Now the one product that really caught my eye was the Neck Catalyst, because this one is designed for the neck, which if you go and look at the ordinary skincare line, there is no product that is designed for the neck. So you basically have to scan the Ordinary website, pick a few products that are your skin concerns that you may have with your neck, pick up those products and then use it on your neck. This one is designed for the neck, so it makes it a lot easier. You can just pick up one product and the way you go. So that's why I was really excited to pick up this one, because my neck has a few lines on it, and a lot of us suffer from this. This is a normal thing as we get older, and of course it can become genetics. Sometimes it's the way we sleep, depending on how many lines we get on our neck. And of course, if we're on our cell phones all the time and we're looking down on our computer and whatnot, then of course that is going to cause lines on our neck. And I am definitely one of those people where I'm always on my computer, I'm always on my phone, so I'm always looking down, and of course that is not going to be helping the matter with the lines on our neck, but it is an everyday thing that we all typically do. If there's a product that can help with the lines on our neck, then I am all for it. So this product is designed to increase the look of skin density in your neck. So this is going to bring back the plumpness in your neck. It's supposed to make your neck more full over time, and it's supposed to decrease the look of fine lines and wrinkles and crepiness. And that's why I wanted to try this product out, is to see if I can eliminate some of the lines that I do have on my neck. So there's a lot of good ingredients jam-packed in this product. So there's glycerin, triglycerides, silicone, lactic and glycolic acid, caffeine, hyaluronic acid, and so much more. Now I have the 100 ml size, which is 3.3 fluid ounces, and I prefer packaging like this because it's in a nice tube, and I like this for many different reasons. So number one, it's a lot easier to use and to dispense the product. Number two, you don't have to worry about contamination. Number three, it's a lot easier to travel with. So if you are somebody that goes away a lot on weekends, or you travel a lot, then this is going to be a lot easier to throw in your bag because it's not going to take up much room at all. And number four, this is going to be a lot easier to get every last bit of product out of this packaging. So when you get to the very end of the product, you can actually squeeze and flatten out the packaging as much as you can, get every last bit of product out. So I do like packaging like this. Now the smaller size of this is a 50 ml and it comes in a glass jar, and I will insert a picture right here so you can see what it looks like. Now I don't mind this type of packaging because you can recycle this product and you can also reuse this jar for other things down the road. But the one thing that I don't like about this is that you have to worry about contamination, and you have to invest in a skincare spoon or a spatula to get the product out of the jar so that you can use it. But you also want to make sure that you can use every last bit of this product up and get a spoon where it can really scoop and scrape the bottom edges of the jar. So you want to make sure that you do have something like that so that you can use up all the product and not have it go to waste. So that's why I prefer packaging like this. But when it comes to the tube versus the jar, this is a lot more expensive. So the 50 ml size that comes in a jar, that retails at $70 Canadian as well as $70 American. And when you get the 100 ml size, this retails at $108 Canadian and $98 American. So it is a lot more expensive to go with the tube, but if you are somebody that travels a lot and you enjoy a tube a lot more, then definitely invest in the tube, because I just think packaging like this is just so much easier to deal with and to handle. There is a 6-month shelf life on this once you've opened up the product. So if you have some product left over after the 6 months, it doesn't mean that the product has gone bad. It doesn't mean that you can't use it anymore. NIOD just recommends that you use this product up completely within the 6 months so that you can get the benefits out of the active ingredients that are in here. But past the 6 months, they can't guarantee that those ingredients are going to be as active. That's why they give a 6-month shelf life. So you can definitely use this product after the 6 months. It will be totally fine. Now, the texture and the consistency of this product reminds me of Vaseline. It's not as thick as Vaseline, it's not as greasy as Vaseline, but it has a yellow hue to it. But the formulation just reminds me of Vaseline for some reason. Now, you can apply this to your lower face, down to your neck, and even down to your décolleté if you'd like to. So you can actually start to apply this from your mouth all the way down. But I'm only focusing this strictly for my neck right now, but the NIOD does say that you can apply this from here all the way down if you'd like to. So as you can see here with me applying this to the back of my hand, it is yellow in color and it does have that thick gel type of texture. Now when I rub this into my skin, the spreadability is absolutely amazing. You can see that my hand is not turning yellow. The product is absorbing right into my skin, and this just leaves your skin so silky, soft, and smooth. I can't describe it unless you try this for yourself. It really makes your skin feel very soft. Now my hand is completely dry right now, but it definitely has a really nice hydrated silicone feel to it, which this hand definitely does not feel anything close to what this hand feels with the neck catalyst on there. And it just feels absolutely amazing on the neck. So it has a really nice silicone, soft, smooth feel to it. It feels hydrated, it's not sticky. This wears really nicely in the morning and at night, so you can use this product twice a day if you'd like to, and I have been using this twice a day. So I really love using this during the day because when you have this on your neck, it's almost like it blurs out some of the lines on your neck and it gives your neck more plumpness throughout the day, which I really love. SPF sits really nicely on top of the neck catalyst, so I have not experienced any peeling whatsoever, and it really does sit really nicely on top of this product. Now at nighttime you can definitely use this with other serums. In the morning you can use this with other serums as well. Now when you use this product, you want to make sure that you apply this product after your water-based serums and before your moisturizer. So if you are using, let's say, a separate hyaluronic acid, or you're using some other type of water-based serum, apply that first, then apply this, and then apply your moisturizer on top, and you're SPF if you'd like to. You don't have to apply a moisturizer on top of this if you don't want to, because this really does give your skin a really nice hydrated feel. But if you are somebody that needs more hydration and wants that extra layer on top, then you definitely can add a moisturizer on top of this. So if you are using some products from the NIOD line already, I will give you a couple of examples of some products that you should be using before the neck catalyst, and there's one product that you should be using after the neck catalyst. So if you are using the NIOD Copper Amino Isolate Serum, you want to make sure that you apply that first before the neck catalyst. And if you are using the NIOD Hyaluronic Complex Serum, you want to make sure you apply that before the neck catalyst. Now, if you are using the NIOD Hydration Vaccine, which is a moisturizer type of product, you want to make sure that you apply the neck catalyst first and then the NIOD Hydration Vaccine on afterwards. So that is the routine that you should be using some of the NIOD products with the neck catalyst. Now, of course, I have never used this with any retinol-based product because, as you know, I cannot put any retinol-based product down my neck as I get a lot of irritation, but I have used a glycolic acid toner on my neck. I've applied this on top. It was totally fine. There is glycolic and lactic acid in here, like I mentioned earlier on in this video. So there is one product that is retinol based that I can use on my neck. I haven't used it in a little while because I did go through an experience with irritation on my neck. So I've taken a break from that product and I've just been focusing my time with this product because I want to see if this is going to give me any improvements on my neck. And I'm going to be using this product morning and night until this product is completely empty. And I want to test this product out completely and I want to see if I'm going to have any results from this product. So maybe in a couple of months time I will do an updated video on this and let you know whether or not I've seen any improvements on the lines on my neck, and any other information that I can give you that I've seen with this, I can give you in that video. So stay tuned for that video. I will probably do that in maybe a couple of months time, however long this takes me to finish. So far I've been really enjoying this product. I love how this makes my skin very soft and smooth and very hydrated at the same time. It's not sticky, it's not greasy, it's the perfect consistency and texture of a product. I would highly recommend the NIOD Neck Catalyst. This has been a great product so far. Again, I have not seen any results with the lines that I do have on my neck, as I've only been using it now for a couple of weeks, but my skin definitely feels more hydrated and the texture feels a lot smoother as well. But if you are in the market for a neck cream, definitely pick this one up because even the way that my skin feels now is totally worth it. So that is everything in today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed this one, and of course if you have any questions, leave your comments below and I will get back with you as soon as I can. And of course I will see you guys in my next video. So take care, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys then. Bye guys.